What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoBodybuilding.com.
Keto Greg.
Keto Greg. We got another challenge in the works. So we hosted a 6-month transformation challenge last year in which the male winner and female winner both received $5,000 in grand cash prizes, plus a bunch of keto bricks and apparel swag and all that good stuff. And it was awesome. Like, seeing people transform over the course of 6 months was truly inspiring. I don't like these super short 6-week to shreds or shortcuts or hacks or things like that, because it just puts the wrong psychological outlook towards things. And the 6-month transformation challenge was great. Everybody learned a lot. The membership group was super supportive and active. However, we're stepping it up a few annies. So we are going to host a 9 months competition challenge. Because by 9 months, I can kind of integrate the reverse diet component into it as well. The one thing I didn't like about the 6-month challenge is that I'm giving reverse diet coaching to the 2 winners, but I didn't want to leave everybody else high and dry. So we're going to actually integrate the reverse diet component months long. And it also happens to coincidentally coincide with our first competition. So the Natural State Bodybuilding Competition, sanctioned by the WNBF, is going to be hosted in Northwest Arkansas on September 27th of this year. It's going to be awesome. And we're like, well, how can we, make something that's mutually beneficial? Let's do an online challenge, walk people through that, offer group coaching through the tribe that's relevant to where they would be at that phase in a fat loss sequence, and just coincidentally tie it into paralleling with the competition date, so that if anybody is dialed in and diced, which they will be going through this challenge, they might as well come here and step on stage and showcase it to a panel of judges. So that's kind of the timeline we got. We got registrations now open here in March. People can sign up whenever they want. There is not a deadline to register. Obviously, the week of the competition is not probably a good time to register, but we're going to be starting it officially now. People can jump on. The only requirement is that you be a member of our tribe membership. That's going to offer you the weekly live calls that Greg and I do, the group coaching component, all the accountability that the tribe offers as it is relevant to getting dialed in a fat loss phase, and also the reverse diet component. So we're going to have 3 pictures that are required. Your initial starting picture, the peaking picture, which will coincide with the same week as peak week for the competition, and the final reverse diet picture after 2 months of reverse diet guidance. So that's what we got going on there. Did I miss anything?
And if you can do body fat percentages,
Yep.
in whatever means available to you, that'd be key for each of those 3 checkpoints as well.
We'll have a little, check-in form provided in the tribe membership where you can download that, write out your weight, your body fat percentage, and take your picture. People will submit that. Again, you just have to be in the tribe to be a participant of this challenge. Again, we're going to also give away $5,000 to both the male and female winners, so $10,000 in cash plus a whole bunch of other goodies. We're going to have mini bonus challenges every single month that are going to be based off of engagement and things like that within the community, to just keep people on track and on the right trajectory. And what else?
And the grand prize winners will be decided by the tribe.
Yes,
so the community is deciding.
The tribe is voting. They're going to take into account what you look like at the beginning, what you look like on show day when you're actually peaking. That's going to be very heavily weighted. And then you're going to have the reverse diet final check-in after 2 months of reverse dieting, to just really ensure people don't go off the deep end and let things get away from them after the actual peaking. We want to bring that into the fold as well. The community is going to be the vote. So I'm not voting, and it's going to be based off of the best package brought and the overall journey in its entirety. So super excited about it. All you got to do is go to KetoBodybuilding.com and go to the Savage Shred section to sign up. Be a member of the tribe, get active on there, and we will see you inside the tribe.